congratulate me? I recently got a boyfriend who loves eating cheesecake. It's a homebody, kind of addicted to his phone, and his favorite season is winter just like me. Can you congratulate me?
Congratulations.
You know what that boyfriend is? Yeah, I got you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Who's my boyfriend now? What's his name? Leo. Thank you, my boyfriend. You're such an awesome boyfriend.
It's okay.
I have a cover request for you.
Okay, what is it?
It's At My Worst by Pink Sweat. You covered that a long time ago.
Yeah.
Can you cover that again?
I feel the lyrics.
Just comment. I really love your voice. I hope you can showcase your vocal skills whenever you have the chance. I hope you can do more high notes and like solos and stuff.
Thank you.
Bye bye.